So because I sometimes surprise and delight myself with something I've played, that makes me inclined to keep trying it. The spontaneity of improvising might be hailed as a way to encourage that to happen, because there isn't time to consider whether what you're doing maps onto what you consider to be right. Your unconsciousness can express itself in new forms, while it's freed from the constraining monitor of self-critique. But it has been convincingly argued by psychologists such as Norgard and Philip Johnson Laird that what emerges when we don't have time to think about what we're doing is to a large extent characterised by internalised patterns, things that we already know, things that we know how to play, and that are therefore familiar to us. That doesn't seem like a great approach to creativity. I think as an artist we should be trying to aspire to, even if we don't get there, to those big C moments when new possibilities become apparent at a cultural level, and when the paradigm of what we take to be music shifts to accommodate something unheard of, and when a musical world gets turned on its head. At those times, artists have to go beyond what they know and what they think their audiences know. I think Coltrane's recorded live solo at the Village Vanguard on Chasing the Train is, for instance, seen as a significant turning point in jazz. It's something that a lot of critics have referred to as a moment that launched him towards the direction of free jazz. It's interesting that in one of the interviews with Coltrane, that I think is quoted in Hagberg, somebody asked Coltrane what happened that night. It's a live recording. What happened on the stage that prompted that sudden change in the way he was playing? And Coltrane himself said he used to listen to it and wonder what happened to me. He'd no idea how that came about on stage, even though he was the soloist and the person who seemed to be directing the music at that point. Improvisations such as Coltrane's can, if they're recorded, be transcribed and analysed and hailed as perfect, or approaching perfection in retrospect. But it's significant to me that he played it accompanied by 3 other musicians. So for anyone trying to achieve an improvisation like this themselves, the first question should perhaps not be, how can I play like Coltrane, but how can I be part of something like the John Coltrane Quartet?